guys, a quick paper illustration of that gown. Assuming this is your fabric, you fold your fabric into two. The measurement you'll be needing for this gown are just your full length, your sleeve length, and your waist measurement. Then you can add about 5 inches to 10 inches to the waist measurement, depending on how free you want the waist part to be. Okay, so you take your ruler and you draw. You just place it the same way you place your flare skirt when you want to cut a flare skirt. Draw a straight line, and from this point you get your neck depth, 5 to 6 inches as you wish. Then from this point you get your neck width. Then draw your v-neck line this way. I'm doing this on a paper. Definitely you might be trying this out on a lycra fabric. So the reason why you have to place your fabric this way is so that you can get that drape look that you see on that gown. So from this point again, you draw a slant line. This line is going to determine your sleeve length. Yes, so by now you already know the sleeve length you want to use. You stop right there, and from this line again you get your gown length. Yes, you get your gown length. Then you draw a straight line. You draw a straight line this way. Then you measure out your hip. You draw your hip measurements. I hope this is making sense. And from this part you come down, depending on how tight you want this place to be. Then you give it a curve, Another thing you can do is to come inside from here, from this waist line, and just like you are cutting a pencil skirt, just like this, and then you cut. Do you see that? This is simple. It will make more sense when you try it out on your fabric. Yes, so try it out and give me feedback. I'll be waiting on the comment section. Yes, then cut your neck line, your shoulder, your sleeve, all together you cut. Yes, and that's all. You got your gown. That's all. I hope this helps. Thank you.